everyone! Yes, we have a new printer finally, and this is from Brother, model DCP-T420W. So I'm going to unbox this and set it up. I know that we're going to be printing a lot of documents, worksheets, and maybe assignments or homeworks, resources that we get online in this homeschool year. So we needed to have a very good printer that could print a lot without costing us too much. The old printer that we had still uses cartridges, and cartridges become more expensive and difficult to find nowadays, making the printing more expensive for us as well. What I was looking for a printer, I was looking for something that already has the continuous ink system, because I've heard that with that, the cost of printing would be very low. So it comes with this manual and the ink and bottle. So you have there the magenta, the yellow, and the cyan, and black. Cables. So now we're going to fill the ink tanks. Let's continue removing this tape here. Wasn't able to remove earlier. Then the film inside. Okay. Perfect. So now we're just going to open the ink tank cover and then remove the cap. Now we get the ink bottle and then remove the film, and then put the cap again and tighten it firmly, and you remove the nozzle cap and insert the bottle nozzle firmly into the ink tank so that the ink does not spill. Now this bottle, by the way, is self-standing, and the ink fills automatically until the bottle is empty, but you can also squeeze it to make it faster. Alright, so now it's finished. You have to put the ink tank cap, and then do the same steps for all other ink bottles. The bottle of ink, by the way, costs around 300 or more pesos, and let's just say that all of them ran out at the same time, so we have to buy all four. That would cost you around 1,200 to 1,500, and with 7,500 output, cost of printing at 20 centavos per page. Very economical. It's not really filled to the brim. it's like around 85%, maybe 89. And because it's transparent, you can see the ink level from the outside. Now time to load the paper. The tray, by the way, can hold up to 150 sheets of paper. So it's like 70 GSM, around ½ inch of bond paper. Yeah. Oops, I forgot it. Plug. By the way, so we're gonna plug it first. Now let's start with initial cleaning. Just press the color button for a few seconds and the two lights up there will be blinking. This may take longer than expected though, but just wait patiently until it prints the print quality check sheet. Medyo matagal lang talaga siya, but it will print. Now it's time to connect to our mobile device. So you can scan the QR code that's in the manual and then it will bring you to the app. So all you just have to do is download it from, because I'm using Android, from Google Store. Read or scan through the terms and conditions and then scroll until the bottom part and click yes. So it will bring you to the setup page. So you have to connect to your new device if it's the first time that you're connecting the printer to your internet device. So just click on connect new device. There you go. So it's okay. quick check if you input the right model and if the Wi-Fi LED is flashing quickly. If yes, then click on confirm. Make sure that both your cell phone and the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So I have to double check it just in case, because it didn't let me get through the first time. So I have to do it again. Do the same process. I finally connected the device and I could see it there. Just click on that and I'll be directed to the dashboard. Now if I wanted to print, I could just click on print and then look for the documents in my cell phone. It will be uploaded there, and then I could choose whether I would like to print all of the pages or just selected pages. Click settings and it will allow you to change the print options like the paper size, the layout, and the quality, etc. So finally it is printing, but what I noticed though is that it is taking too long for it to print. So if you have multiple pages, you really have to leave it. You could not wait for it because it will take your time. But I think for its price, which is less than $200, I bought it 8,000 pesos. So I think it's very highly recommended. It will be very useful for homeschooling families, and very economical as well. And it helps that it's also wireless, and it has the ability also to scan documents.